Wow, you have two now. Adro, you not feel cold? Let's go home. Huh? At saka walang ano dito guys, walang maraming bawal. Alam nyo ba lahat ng kung sinong nagpupunta dito, naka-video, naka-photographer. Sa Dubai, ang daming bawal. Bawal ka mag-video ng ganun, bawal ka mag-vlog ng ganun, bawal. Kanina pagpasok ng may mag-asawa dito na vlogger. Pinidyohan naman niya lahat ng pool at saka yung lahat ng yung building na to. Yun, as in. Tsaka hindi lang yung building na yan, pati lahat mga tao. Yun, hindi pinagbawal, pero dun sa Dubai, Grass Inn, grabe. Ilang oras nga ang biyahe namin. Adro, how many hours we travel from Dubai? Did you remember? Did you remember how many hours? 1 hour only? 1 and 45 minutes. Oh, ang lamig. Adro, let's go na. Adre, so cold. Let's go home. Walang nagbabawal dito, guys. Oh, may shop pa. Ano yan? May shop pa. Where we going? Oh. 5. So, yan guys. Andito kami sa palaruan. Ano pala to siya, guys? Ano pala to siya? Dubai, Sharjah. After ng Sharjah, Fujairah. Oh, next lang pala to ng Sharjah. Tapos Fujairah. Next dito is Calbayon. So, ayun si Adro. Ganyan niya mag-ano. Adro, where you? Adro, say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Taking a food. Now it's dirty. You need. Oh wow! What you cooking?
I'm cooking some steak.
This
is a junk food.
That is crab. That is seafood. I like it.
This is a junk.
Then you will have it.
Some carrots.
Some carrots. That is real plate? It looks so real.
No, it's pretend. Look, it's made of plastic.
Wow, all is pretend. Also, so nice. You can put the corn here. This is only for fry. Corn put with water. Okay. Magagalit na naman yan siya. Oh.
This needs some little bit washing.
Little bit washing.
This is one things that need to go in the bowl.
Need to go on the ball?
Yeah. I'll also give you this if you finish your food.
Oh, cookies! Wow!
What is in here?
Nani put that?
Why you did it?
You need to boil that with water and salt, you know? How to cook the corn, you don't know? What is that, cucumber?
Yeah, I thought this one cucumber.
Oh, wow. And there
After you
is...
finish your soup, I will give you some cucumber.
The cookies is real. It looks like real. Oh my god, I want to eat it.
Stop. This is after you feed.
Stop.
And hide this.
There is oven also, Adru. Open this. Open this. Oven. Oh, another one. Oh, it's just coming. Oh yeah, this is the oven. Another one. Another down.
Freezer.
Oh. Okay. Now you need to do iron. This. And where is the iron? Okay, let's do it. We will make a blend. You started already? Okay, let's start it. I will make a rainbow. Adru is throwing. By mistake.
You should tell the auntie to help you.
So we have already this. So guys, we are already in the bathroom, you know. It's so nice, this bathroom. What is this? If you want to put your things inside, yeah? This is the one?
Yeah, look that.
Say bye. Oh, let's go now. Let's go. Bathroom is nice than my home. You know? It's so nice, very nice. Oh, see, there is also frame here. There are beautiful frame and display. Wow. Uy, ang ganda. Aba, may lotion pa. Ano yan? Libre? Ang galing naman. Uy, ang ganda ng bathroom dito, guys. Super amazing. Amazing talaga. Ang ganda naman. Kasi ito po yan. Wow. Diyan kami galing, oh. Play area. Yeah. Ang ganda. Let's go. Oh, wow. Let's go. And then sa room namin, sa bawat ang tawag dito, ayan yung reception. Ang daming nag-in. Ang daming paparating kasi Sabado nga pala ngayon. Yan. Who's Abdullah? I saw Abdullah. Oh, that is Abdullah, Adru. Yun, ang dagat. Ayun. Ayun, Adru, look so nice. Adru, I'm afraid. Don't go there. Hindi pa kami nagpunta dun sa sa dagat kasi ang init. Let's go, Adru. Uwi na tayo. I feel nice. You will tell to Daddy order pizza. Okay?
Pizza.
Oh no, rice. Order pizza or rice?
Pizza.
Oh. Okay. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga, as in. Corridor lang yan, guys, ha. Yan, corridor lang yan. Oh, diba? Let's go. Oh, Adru, we need the card. You hold your. We cannot go up now. Where is your card? Then press the 5. Remove your card. Ayun. Oh, nag-green siya. So, pag nag-green,
Hold me, bunny.
it's like, oh, let's go.
Ouch!
Wow. Oh, di ba? Lahat ng corridor, guys, grabe. Super.
This way.
Oh, this way daw. Ang ganda, grabe. Ang ganda ng corridor. Bawat corridor sa lift o saan ka. Ito lang yung, guys, para talaga siyang palace. Kasi lahat ng corridor, wala akong nakikita na may carpet, may sofa. Lahat mayroon dito. Sana all. This way daw, this way. Where? Where is your room? Where is your room? Tada! Oh. Then open. Oh. No power. Little more up. Adro put first. Oh, this is chocolate, Adro. Yay, so cute. Happy birthday to you. Adro, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Daddy.
It's nice.
Is ayos. Wow, damn. Look. Wow. It's so nice. Hyde Park ice cream. Oh, this is Hyde Park ice cream. And
I think everything's
so nice.
Mommy, there is some tea for